How to get a car dealer license in Indiana. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. First, select the appropriate license for your business. You can choose between a new or a used dealer license. Both have different requirements but use mostly the same documents. There are also other options like a distributor license for selling to other dealers and an auto auction license if you manage to auctions. Choose the one that fits your business model. Next, set up your business location. It must be a permanent residential structure. No mobile unit that meets zoning requirement. The space must be at least 1,300 square feet. Enough room to store and display vehicles and include customer parking. Your office needs to be furnished and have electricity, plumbing, lighting, and a landline phone. You will also need to submit photos of your location with your application. Then register your business. You will need a federal employer identification number from this IRS and a retail merchant certificate number from Indiana. Include these when you submit your application. You will also need to secure an auto dealer bond and a liability insurance. Indiana requires garage liability insurance with specific coverage amounts plus a $25,000 dealer bond. The bond cost depends on your financial history. Gather your paperwork, including a background check for the owner, a copy of your photo ID and financial agreement if applicable, and your sales tax registration ID. Finally, submit your application along with the fee. Indiana's application fee is $30 plus $125 for the first 2 dealer plates and $30 for each additional plate. Relatively affordable compared to other states like Maryland, which charges $450. Send your completed application to the Indiana Secretary of State's office at the address listed on their website and wait for approval. That's how you get your car dealer license in Indiana.